Hello friends, Advocate Ketki here. Friends, if you have just have a look towards our history, okay, up to the ancient period, what you will come to know that we have undergone a lot of changes, okay, in tremendous changes. So in ancient time, we used to live in a cave, correct? In Stone Age, we used to say that. After that, we started living in a hut. Then we make kacha house, then concrete house. Then we used to live in a building, and nowadays you can see skyscrapers are there. Okay. So one more thing, in ancient days, how we used to communicate with each other. So in very ancient days, we use birds, okay, to send our messages. एक चिट उनके साथ भेज दी जाती थी, and bird used to fly. After that, we use messengers. जो मैसेंजर कोई पर्सन होता था, स्पेशली इन किंग टाइम, ओके, कि वो एक विलेज से दूसरे विलेज हॉर्स पे मैसेज पास करता था, मैसेज लेके जाता था. ओके, एंड नाउअडेज इफ यू कैन सी, आफ्टर दैट वी यूज पोस्ट सर्विस. We used to send mails, okay, letters, and then now, okay, on just one click we can send our message to any corner of the world. Right? So what do you think, how it is possible कि अगर हम देखें कि ancient time में और अभी, so if comparative to the other animals, human जो है उसमें tremendous changes हुए हैं. Okay, so why? Because of inventions. Do you think so? Because of inventions. So we keep inventing things, right? And we make our life better. So just because of invention, we can see all the changes now in our living. Okay, so, and inventions means what? How we can do any invention? So because of our intellect. So this is the power of human brain or our human intelligence. So because of human intelligence only, we can able to we have just traveled so far. All right, so today's our topic is intellectual property. This is unit 9 of legal awareness program. So friends, let's start our session with content of this topic. First we'll see meaning of property, then definition, what is intellectual property, innovations and invention, intellectual property, its types, that patent, trademark, geographical indications, industrial design or model, or copyrights. Intellectual property rights, then protection to our intellectual copyright. Why countries care for IPR? IPR means what? Intellectual property rights, and seek to promote and protect it. And at last, the summary. Now we'll see, before going to the, just a minute, my dear friends. Yes, before starting this session, I would like to give you a summary or just a glance of a history of this topic, intellectual property right. So actually intellectual property is not a new concept. Okay, it is believed that it started in North Italy in 1474. So you can see how old it is. ठीक है, so copyright भी था पहले. So copyright dated back in 1440s when Johns invented their printing press, okay, with replaceable or movable wooden or metal letters. Okay, that time copyright file हुआ था. Then patent also granted in 1474. ठीक है. So in late 19th century, a number of countries felt that necessary of laying down the laws and regulations for IPR, intellectual property. Intellect was there, but no law was present at that time. So globally, two conventions constituently the basic for IPR system. In globally, they constitute two global conventions. That is, two treaties are there, Paris Convention and Berne Convention. Okay, so Paris Convention is for protecting of industrial properties. in 1883 and Berne Convention for Protection of Literacy and Artistic Works in 1886. So content, we have gone through the contents. Now we'll start with the meaning of property. So property, if we say property, what do you think? Property means what? Like our house is our property, or land, it is our property. Till now, we consider this physical things as a property. But now in this session, you will come to know intellectual property. We have intellectual property, which is most powerful property. Okay, so the property is actually divided into two types: tangible property and intangible property. Tangible means what? To which we can touch, okay, we can feel physically, it is present in front of us, that is tangible property. And tangible property is divided into two parts: movable property, immovable property. In movable property, we can see car, laptop, okay, mobile, any of our property which can move. We can move it from one place to another place. And immovable property means what? Like a building or historical monuments, all are immovable property. We cannot move that. In intellectual property, it is again of two kinds: industrial property and copyright related properties. Industrial properties contain patent, design, trademarks, or geographical indicators. Now we'll see one by one. Intellectual property. Actually, intellectual property means what? So as the name suggests, intellectual, which is out of our brain. Okay, so it is the product of a human intellect. Intellect means what? अपनी हम जो कहते हैं ना कि intelligence. Okay, so we can think with the help of brain. Whatever products we can develop or produce is our human intellect or intellectual property. It includes creative concepts, inventions, industrial models, trademarks, songs, literature, symbols, names, brands, and etc. So on, which is developed from our brain. All are fall under the category of intellectual property. Like any creative concept, any new concept that we have created, or an invention. Likewise, Graham Bell invented a telephone. So that is an invention. It is out of our intellect. Okay? So any literature like a song or a rhythm is also our intellectual property. Literature, if you are writing any book, it is out of your brain. That is the power of your brain. So it is again an intellectual property. Symbols or any name of a brand is also falls under the content of intellectual property only. Okay, so what we can consider? We come to know that ki all the products of our intelligence, okay, jo bhi brain ki we think, and that will consider as a intellectual property. But what exactly it is? You must be thinking what exactly, not still I'm not clear with that. So I'll tell you, it is of two types. One is industrial property, second is copyright. So industrial property may we can consider like a designs, okay, or any industrial models, geographical indicators. One by one I'm going to explain you everything: trademarks, inventions. And in copyrights, all the creative works is included, like novel, poem, photographs, designs, literacy like book, okay, all the artistic works. So in this session specifically we'll discuss about patent, trademark, geographical indications, industrial design, and copyright. Okay, so as I said, inventions, because of inventions we can do all the changes. Okay, so what is the meaning of invention and innovation? So for intellectual property, you need to understand those two concepts. Okay, what is invention and what is innovation? अगर किसी ने ऑलरेडी कोई सॉन्ग क्रिएट किया है, सॉन्ग नरेट किया है, ओके, लिखा भी है, उसको गाया भी है, and same song, the wording you'll copy, then and you'll say, I have prepared this song. So is it invention or it is any innovation? So no, it's nothing new. The same you have copied and pasted it, जिसको हम कहते हैं remake. Okay, the same thing. But now we'll see what is the invention and innovation. They are actually two different concepts. So invention refers to a technical solution to a technical problem. Just say in ancient days, we used to walk everywhere, wherever we wants to go, we used to walk, okay, because no any other option. So human invent a wheel, right? So that wheel is the solution of that problem. So it may be an innovative idea or maybe in the form of a working model or prototype. So wheel जो invent किया, that is invention. उसके पहले wheel, we have not seen wheel. Then what mean by innovation? It refers to the translation of the invention into a marketable product or a process. जैसे wheel invent किया, we'll say now we use automobiles. Okay, vehicles, we are running vehicles is known as innovation. जैसे ग्राम बेल ने टेलीफोन इन्वेंट किया, then we keep on innovating towards the device of that phone. Okay, so पहले ऐसे फोन थे, then ऐसे लैंडलाइंस आए, and then now everyone has mobile phone in their hand. That is the invention and innovation. Invention means what? Inventing any new thing. Okay, and innovation means translating that thing into a marketable product which you can sell. All right. So now we'll see one by one intellectual properties. So first is patent. Okay. What is patent? Now patent is an exclusive right. Okay, granted by a law, means by our government or our law, we grant exclusive rights. So to whom? That inventor who is inventing any new thing, new product is known as inventor. तो उसको inventor को government exclusive rights assign करेंगे. Okay, to prevent, why to give this exclusive rights? To prevent others from commercially benefiting from his or her patented invention. जैसे अगर कोई now कोरोना है, ठीक है, उसके लिए अगर किसी आपके किसी फ्रेंड ने एक मशीन इन्वेंट की जिससे कि हम अच्छे से स्टीम ले सकते हैं, बट इट इज ऑफ वेरी न्यू इन्वेंशन एंड वेरी नाइस मशीन, सो ही मस्ट अप्लाई फॉर अ पेटेंट. क्योंकि अगर उसी का आइडिया कोई कॉपी करके कंपनी खोल के अपना डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन स्टार्ट कर सकता है, देन दैट कॉपिंग, जो भी पर्सन ने कॉपी किया, ही विल गेट बेनिफिट, ही विल गेट मनी. ओके, सो टू प्रिवेंट दैट we need to apply for a patent. Without that inventor's permission, no one can take advantage of that product. Okay, and this right for limited period of time, in exchange for detailed public disclosure of patented invention. मतलब अगर if you want patent, okay, for any product which is invention, you invented any new thing, so you need to disclose that thing to government, and then government will give you patent. Patent means what? Exclusive rights. So without your permission, no one can create that, can distribute, or can gain money from that product. So how anyone can get a patent? How patent can be granted? So inventor will get a patent for his invention, okay, and not restricted to specific area. In any area you can do invention. Okay, so not limited to improvement. It can be innovative or a new invention. We have seen that earlier. But what are the what we can say conditions for patent? That work, that your invention should be novel. Novel means what? Very new. इसके पहले like that product should not be there. अगर आप कॉपी कर रहे हो तो no one will give you patent, right? So it should be novel, then useful होना चाहिए. We are not inventing any showpiece, okay? For it should be useful. जैसे अल्बर्ट एडिसन ने लाइट बल्ब इन्वेंट किया, right? So he got a patent, and light bulb is useful for everyone, so it is commercial, marketable hai, usko becha gaya, right? And the third is non obvious. It should be a very different invention, जो आपका है वो different होना चाहिए, then only you will get a patent. Next, intellectual property is trademark. So actually, one funny thing I would like to tell you, we are surrounded with the trademarks. Anywhere, everywhere you can see, you will see the trademark. In kitchen, outside, on road, everywhere you can see trademarks. So I'll tell you what trademark means. A trademark is a unique symbol or words used to represent a business or its products. Now, my dear friends, you can see this symbol over there. Okay, this is apple shape with the bite taken out of that apple. So what this logo is, it's of Apple company. Okay, iPhone, MacBook, you have seen, so no need to elaborate it what it is. So with the help of this symbol, now this M, you can easily identify this is McDonald's symbols, right? So those symbols or logos are known as trademarks. So trademarks, we need to register it. ऐसे हो सकता है, just think about it, आपने आपका एक बर्गर शॉप ओपन किया, so can you give McDonald's name to your burger shop? Can you give your burger shop name as a McDonald's? No. Why? Because McDonald's name is already registered, वो already trademark है McDonald's का, ठीक है? Even you can't give this M logo to your burger shop, right? So once registered, that same symbol or series of words cannot be used by any other organization, okay? Because it is explicitly work for that particular company or for that business. So Starbucks, if you see this logo of that lady, you'll come to know immediately that it's a coffee shop, Starbucks coffee shop, right? All these symbols. So it forever, as long as it remain in use and proper paperwork and filing the fees are paid, the logo will remain with that business product only. Okay, you can say this Subway, Tata, Nike, or Intel, Samsung, all are trademarks. Okay, you cannot copy this, you cannot use trademarks which are already registered. Okay, if trademark is not registered and you registered your trademark first, then your trademark will not be used by anyone else. Okay, and one more thing I want to mention, can you see this R over here after this Starbucks? Okay, and this R here in McDonald's logo or trademark, what is that? I'll tell you. Subway ke yahan pe this TM is there, so those are known as signs of trademark. So sign means what? So there are three signs of trademark: R, TM, and SM. R means registered trademark, TM means unregistered trademark, and SM means unregistered service trademark. S stands for service. So TM means what? Using the trademark symbol after a logo or phrase, it alerts the competitors. Competitors means what? Any other competitors in the market, that you have claimed this symbol or phrase as your own. ठीक है, तो ये ट्रेडमार्क आपने रजिस्टर किया है, you have claimed it for registration, so no one else can use that logo or that symbol or that phrase for themselves. ठीक है, but you have not yet get registered, but you have applied. So TM means what? You have applied for that symbol. What mean by R? Only trademarks that have been officially granted by the trademark office can use the symbol R. ठीक है, which stands for registered trademark. तो क्वेश्चन ही नहीं आता कि ये ट्रेडमार्क कोई और यूज करेगा. Not at all, because they are already registered. And what mean by SM? Companies that sell services. Services means what? Like courier service. Okay, those are the services, not products, but they are providing services. They use SM symbol. Now, what is the function of trademark? What do you think? What is the function of trademark? जैसे ही आप एप्पल सिंबल देखोगे, इमीडिएटली आईफोन आपके आंखों के सामने आएगा, राइट? अगर वो स्टार मार्क देखोगे, मर्सिडीज कार आएगी. So that's the function of trademark. Trademark performs the following functions. It identifies the product and origin, right? It guarantees its unchanged quality. So Apple का symbol देख के Apple guaranteed you कि we have the same symbol yet we are having the same logo. That means we have not changed our quality. ठीक है? It advertised the product, of course. BMW advertised for their car. It creates an image of the product. No need of extra description of it. So example, I'll give some examples here. Zip drive associate with Santro car, like Taj Mahal for particular quality of tea, which will be different in quality from Brook Bond tea. So Brook Bond has different teas, but a specific tea, Taj Mahal, has its name and that symbol. So it means a specific, a different flavor, right? That's the trademark. Sony also associate with electronic atoms. Agar Sony kahoge to immediately electronics atoms come in front of your eyes, right? In your mind. So that is the function of trademark. All right. And SM, as I said, for courier services or any other services, they use SM. So next, intellectual properties, geographical indication. What mean by geographical? Any particular place, right? Okay. A geographical indication is basically a notice stating that a given product originates in a given geographical area only, to that specific area. We have seen so many things, okay? We got that things at that specific area only. Okay, so we can say na कि क्या specialization है यहाँ का, special क्या है आपके यहाँ पे? We used to say that. So that is the geographical indications. I'll give you some examples of it. So in West Bengal, Darjeeling tea got a geographical indication. So Darjeeling tea you'll get in Darjeeling only. Okay, that's why they have geographical indications. So Solapur Chadar in Maharashtra, it is again a geographical indications. In Karnataka, Dharwad Peda, you must have experienced this. This is one of my favorite also. Okay, so what exactly geographical indications means? It consists the name of the place of origin, कि जहां से वो इन्वेंट हुआ या स्टार्ट हुआ उसका प्रोडक्शन प्लेस. और जैसे नागपुर अगर आप जाओगे तो वहां पे ऑरेंजेस होते हैं, इट इज स्पेशलाइजेशन ऑफ नागपुर. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो geographical indication, the place where it originates. It originates from a definite geographical territory, correct? It is used to identify agriculture, natural or manufactured goods. The manufactured goods should be produced or prepared in that territory. Okay, produce bhi kar sakte ya prepare bhi kar sakte, but specifically in that territory. It should have a special quality due to geographical environment, right? For example, Darjeeling tea, Kanchivaram silk sari, Kolhapuri chappal, Agra petha, Nagpur oranges, Bikaner bhujia, all are geographical indication. They are specific with their name of area and because of their specific environment, okay, because of the geographical territory. Okay, so next intellectual property we are going to discuss is industrial design or model. हमने एरोप्लेन बनाया ना, पेपर का एरोप्लेन बहुत बार. It is nothing but a type of model only, correct? But we have not applied for registration. Oh yes. Okay, so design means the feature of shape. Any shape you can create, okay, in design, or a configuration or any pattern, right? Or a composition of lines or colors or a combination of that. All are applicable to any article in 2D or 3D. 2D means two-dimensional or three-dimensional or both forms. We can consider them as an industrial design or a model that can be a 2D or 3D. Okay? So, copyright. The next very interesting intellectual property, and daily we use this. Copyright is our day to day in our life. So copyright provides its holder. जो copyright, I'll tell you what it is. Okay, the right to restrict. Now this right is for restriction right. ठीक है? So ये holder को right provide करता है and restrict करता है बाकी सारे लोगों को. Restricted by unauthorized copying and reproduction. ठीक है? बस ये जो होल्डर है, कॉपीराइट होल्डर है, उसी को राइट रहेगा टू कॉपी इट, टू रिप्रोड्यूस दैट द थिंग व्हाटएवर इज कॉपीराइट, एंड बाकी सारे लोगों को ये रेस्ट्रिक्ट करेगा with the help of this right of an original expression. For example, literary work, movie, music, painting, software. ठीक है? All are created by your mind only, and those are known as copyrights. So आपको इसके rights लेने होते हैं. If you have written any music composition, if you have composed any music, you need to take right, okay? So that no one else will copy it or reproduce it or sell it or use anywhere. Okay, so only author has rights. So copyright comes into existence as soon as the work is created. Okay, as soon as work is created, it comes into existence. So what is protected by copyright? We'll see one by one. Copyright protects the expression of idea, for example, words and illustration. Of course, जो भी idea है, when you will express it, you can protect it, okay, under copyright. But ideas alone are not protected. For example, I'll give you one example so that it will be clear for you. अगर जैसे मतलब some time ago ये कॉन्फ्लिक्ट था, डिबेट हो रहा था बहुत ज्यादा इस टॉपिक पे. अगर आपको किसी पर्सन पे आपको मूवी बनानी, फॉर एग्जांपल झांसी की रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, इफ यू वांट टू मेक अ मूवी, ओके, ये बस आपकी आइडिया है, सो यू विल नॉट गेट कॉपीराइट ऑन दिस आइडिया. बट इफ यू हैव wrote all the script, okay, about this movie, then for this script you can ask for copyright. All right, you get that? I clear this, right? The following may be protected under your copyright law. So literary work, written works, source code of computer program. अगर किसी गेम का आपने source code बनाया है, you can get copyright on it. बस अगर आपके दिमाग में है I want to make a program, I want to make a game, तो उस पे आपको copyright नहीं मिलेगा. But you have source code, you have program on it, so you'll get copyright. Dramatic works, for example, scripts or film or dramas, or musical works, melodies, right? Artistic work, for example, paintings, photographs. अगर जो मोनालिसा की पेंटिंग है, तो वो पेंटिंग ओरिजिनल पेंटिंग है. You can draw like the same painting, but you cannot sell or you can't say this is the original painting, right? Because that's the original work. Published edition of the above works. ये सारे जो वर्क ये मेंशन किए हैं, ओनली कॉपीराइट ऑथर जो है, he has right to publish all these things, okay? Sound recordings, films, television and radio broadcast, cable programmer and performance, they can get their copyright. Intellectual property rights. Now what mean by right? If you have any property, we need rights on it. Rights for what? For what purpose we need rights? To make use, to take advantage, to get benefit of it. So we need rights. So okay, intellectual property rights do not differ from other property rights. So other property means what? As I said, for example, land or house, we register our house, correct? हम registration करते हैं ना अपने house का, so that only we are entitled to live in our house. कोई भी third person आके अपने घर में नहीं रहेगा, because we are register our property. But सोचो आपने कोई घर लिया है but आपने register ही नहीं किया है, so you don't have legal rights, correct? You need to register it. कोई भी third person आके वहां पे possession ले लेगा, रहना start करेगा, okay? You can't say that अरे it's my house. अगर उसने registration किया तो he'll get that house. The same way, intellectual property also need to register. जो भी आपने प्रोडक्ट है आपके माइंड के, न्यू इन्वेंशंस है, वो टू अवॉइड मिसयूज ऑफ इट, ओके, और यूज बाय एनीवन एल्स. मिसयूज तो अलग बात है, बट दूसरा कोई भी यूज नहीं करना चाहिए. anyone else, third person cannot get benefit from that. That's why you need rights. Okay, intellectual property rights are exclusive rights over the creation of the mind. Yes, they allow their owner to completely benefit from his or her product. अगर मैंने कोई म्यूजिक कोई कंपोजिशन बनाई है, एंड इफ आई हैव नॉट टेकन राइट्स, सेम ट्यून अगर कोई मेरे फ्रेंड ने कॉपी की, then he can earn from that tune, right? So you need to take rights. Products of the human mind, the fruits of human creativity and inventions. Product which was initially an idea that developed and crystallized. Yes, जो पहले आइडिया थी, कोई भी चीज, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट born in our mind, वो आइडिया से ही जन्म लेती है, राइट? एंड देन वी कम टू नो, then we can see that actually the product. They are also entitled, him or her, to prevent others from using, dealing or tampering with his or her product without prior permission from him or her. जो भी author है, who has the rights, without his permission no one can use that product or data or that work, no one can deal with it, no one can tamper with it, and he or she can in fact legally sue them. Okay, हम केस फाइल कर सकते हैं अगर किसी ने हमारे लीगल राइट्स को इन्फ्रिंज करने की कोशिश की या इन्फ्रिंज किया, और they misuse our work, then we can file a case for compensate or for damages against them. Okay, so protection of intellectual property right. अगर कोई भी property है, we need to protect it. So likewise, for our intellectual property also we need to protect. So what happened? Why rights are there? Why protection is there? So with the help of rights, it allows benefit to inventor, to a brand owner. जैसे कोका कोला है, एप्पल है, नोकिया है. सो कोक, अगर आप सेम बॉटल, सेम कोई ड्रिंक, सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक प्रिपेयर करते हो, यू कैन नॉट सेल अंडर द नेम ऑफ कोका कोला बिकॉज दे हैव गिवन द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ देयर ट्रेडमार्क, राइट? पेटेंट होल्डर और अ कॉपीराइट होल्डर all have benefits. This right allows them to get benefit from their work. Okay, जो भी उनका वर्क है, जो उनकी आइडिया है, this act or with the help of these rights, all these people get benefit. But at the same time, it prohibit monopoly of the intellect. Monopoly नहीं हो सकती, ठीक है? For a limited time, those people will get right, exclusive right, but for a limited period of time. All right, and such rights are set out in the International Declaration of Human Rights also for getting benefits. So I have given you here one illustrated demonstration. Now you can see this camera here. Okay, I'll tell you now. This Canon is the name. Okay, it is a trademark. Trademark Canon can be protected by a trademark law for 10 years, extendable for next 10 years, okay, for any number of time. Canon जब तक कंपनी है तब तक वो उनका ये ट्रेडमार्क जो है Canon, वो रिन्यू कर सकते हैं. So no any other company who is producing camera can give their camera name as a Canon because it is already restricted, protected. Now this is patent. Patent for what? If an automatic exposure control mechanism is invented for first time, such invention, तो ये new technology है, they can ask for patent. So this is a new technology. Under patent law, they got a patent and can be protected by patent law for 20 years. Okay, no one else can use this technology. And at last, how this button should be, how this lens should be, everything is design. Okay, so a design of a camera's appearance can be protected by design law. This can be valid up to 10 years from the date of registration, and it can be extended for next 5 years. All right, so this is the intellectual property. So what do you think, my dear friends, कि हमारे पास अलग अलग लॉ है. फॉर पेटेंट वी हैव सेपरेट पेटेंट लॉ, फॉर कॉपीराइट वी हैव सेपरेट कॉपीराइट लॉ, ट्रेडमार्क के लिए अलग से लॉ है. तो इतना सब प्रोटेक्शन क्यों? Why countries care for IPR and seek to promote and protect it so much? Why they are that much worry about it? So I'll tell you why it is so. As we have discussed in the starting of this lecture only, starting of this session, because of innovation we can make our life better. Okay, और हमने जो भी यहाँ तक journey की है because of innovations only, inventions only, right? So new innovation in all IPR domains lead to human progress and advancement. Of course, अगर inventions होंगे तभी तो अपनी human progress होगी, right? So legal protection of new inventions, new innovations encourage safe spending on other innovations. So people will feel safe. Yes, हमने अगर कोई invention किया है, we are getting benefit of it, right? So caring for protecting IPR contribute to achieving economic and social development. That's why countries are so prompt for promoting and protecting their IPR. Okay, so we'll have a quick summary. Okay, friends. So copyright, patent, and trademark. So what is protected? In copyright, all the books, authorship, artistic work, but original work, okay, not copy and pasted. So songs, photographs, all are protected. In patent, inventions, okay, such as process, machines, manufacturers, compositions of matter, as well as improvement of this. अगर पहले कोई कैमरा लेंस बनाई है but हमने कुछ improvement किया है, so then also you can get patent for that. And trademark, in trademark, word, phrase, symbol which is new, okay, जो पहले register नहीं है, that identifies and distinguish the source of goods. So what is the requirement? Okay, requirement to be protected. So for getting copyright, your work should be original, creative, and fixed in a tangible medium. Okay, just idea nahi honi chahiye, something should be there. So you can get copyright. If you want patent, your work must be, your invention must be new, useful, and non-obvious. हटके होना चाहिए, different होना चाहिए. And for trademark, it must be distinct. Okay, जो पहले अगर किसी का trademark है, you cannot ask the same symbol for your trademark. Now, term of protection. This is very interesting thing. For copyright, अगर author है जिसने कोई book लिखी है, okay, so he got a copyright rights for his book, okay, for his lifetime. Whatever his lifetime, he'll get right for his lifetime. Also, plus 70 more years, he'll get copyright. Okay? For patents, 20 years, and for trademarks, for as long as the mark is used in the commerce, means in business, in market. Now, rights guaranteed. क्या rights guaranteed है? So, in copyright, rights control and the reproduction, making and derived works, distribution, public performance, ये all rights are guaranteed to that author only. In copyright, right to prevent others from making, selling, using, or importing the patented invention. No one else can use his patent, okay, for selling purpose or any commercial purpose. In trademark, right to use the mark and to prevent others from using similar marks. ये बहुत बार होता है, right? अगर Pond's का जो talcum powder है, similar product कोई बनाएगा, थोड़े से changes हो गए, they'll sell their product. जबकि जो consumer है, he has a false impression कि यार ये Pond's ही है, right? So these practices are prohibited here. All right, and applicable laws क्या क्या है for copyright? The Copyright Act 1957 is there. For patents, the Patent Act 1970 is there, and for trademark, Trademark Act 1999 is there. Okay, so my dear friends, मुझे पता है आपके भी मतलब in your mind also so many ideas are there. You want to do any inventions if you have done, or any artistic things you are doing. So seek for rights, okay, so that no one else will get a benefit of your work. All right, so if you have any query, any doubt, or you want to know anything more about this, so feel free to reach me. All right, so thank you for your attention and your cooperation. So I hope this session, this information will be useful for you, and thank you very much for giving me opportunity to share my knowledge. Thank you.